How to see your boards on the Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see your boards on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now boards are a little bit different compared to what your wish list is about. So boards are basically a collection that you might have added manually to different type of collection based on categories, whereas wish list is basically just your wish list, which means you only add items if you want to think that you want to buy them later on. So what I will do is, in this case, I'll go ahead and launch the Shein app here. Once I launch a Shein app, I'll just go to a specific product page over here, which could be any product page, for example. Once I go to any product page, I will just tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side of the product page here, and then here you'll find wish list. So you want to tap on wish list. Now when you go to wish list, you can see the items in your wish list, but to view your boards from the top right, you can select the option called boards, and then you can simply choose to create board, and then you'll be able to find your boards right over here. Now if you want, you can go ahead and add some products to these boards or do whatever else you prefer. This is simply how you can actually view your boards on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.